Hello everyone, and very warm welcome to all of you in the class. Now we are going to start our new lesson of chapter number 2, and our today topic is about substitute numbers for expression. Okay, it is a very interesting topic. Hope so you have enjoyed this lesson too. Okay, move on to the next one. This is our school mission and vision. Now before going to start today's lesson, first we will discuss about the value of the week, and the value of the week is about respect is my habit. So most of the students have different habits. So respect is the most important and the most important habits. Okay, now these are some points of some suggestions and points about good habits, but the respect should be at the priority level, being as a habit. Okay, so if you have good habits, so what are the basic benefits of good habits? So I have write down some points of the about the beneficial benefits of good habits. Number one is about good habits. Number one is good habits helps you to stay focused and perform well in school. Okay, so if you have good habits, okay, you can perform very well in the class, also in the school. Okay, the second one is they make it easier to complete tasks on time, and the third one is that what is the benefit of good habits are improve relationship with classmates. Okay, the students, if you have good habits, it creates improve the relationship with your classmates, your friends and your peers. Okay, and the fourth one is they contribute to overall health and energy levels, and the last one, practicing good habits boosts self-esteem. Self-esteem builds confidence in you. Okay, and leads to happiness and success. So this is all about the value of the week. Respect is my habit. Okay, now this is the objective of the lesson, and the objective of the lesson is how to substitute number into expression. Okay, in the previous lesson we already have discussed about what is expression and also what is algebraic expression. Okay, now this is all about a lesson starter. What is mean substitute mean alternative things. Okay, substitute in mathematics, what does definition, basic idea, basic term used in mathematics. Substitution in algebra, a variable. Okay, so I first tell you about what is algebra. Algebra is basically a branch of mathematics in which numbers and variables combine together through arithmetic operations. Okay, this is the definition of algebra. Okay, for example, I write x plus 2y plus 3. So x and y are the unknown values which are called variables, and plus are called the arithmetic operation. So when the variables and the constants combine together with sum of arithmetic operation, for example plus, minus, divide, multiply, so it is called algebra. Okay, now variable, I told you about that. What is variable? A variable like x. In math mostly variables are used x, y and z. These are the three basic variables we have used in mathematics when we write any expression or algebraic expression. Okay, now in algebra a variable like x can be replaced by a number or expression in an equation or formula. Let's suppose that we have a 2x plus 5. What is this? This is called the algebraic expression. This is called the algebraic expression. So we don't know about the value of x. Okay, now in this question value of, now right here we know given the value of x. Okay, now question, the first step will be write 2x plus 5. So what is the value of 3? So replace x by 3 right here. Okay, 3. Now product, find the product of 3 and 2. 3 and 2 are multiplied with each other. See, 3 plus 3 into 2 is 6 plus 5. So what is the answer will be 11. Okay, that is the correct answer. So substitute mean replace the any variable x, y and z with some numbers. As you can see that I replace x with number 3. So this is the basic idea about the substitutions, how we can solve the questions about substitutions. Okay, now move on to the next one. Same like I always told you about how we can use mathematics in our daily life. In the previous lesson, for example, LCM, HCF, most in all these lessons I told you about how we can use the math in our daily life. Okay, now also how we in this lesson how we can use substitution in our real life. Okay, for example, let's suppose that if your car breaks down, mean to say that your car is not working properly. So what is substitution? Substitution means you travel with by a bus or bike to reach the destination. Okay, now your car is not working, so you will go to your destination by going to go to bus or by bike. So bus and bike are the some alternative of your car. Okay, you can go from these other vehicles also. So this is substitution in real life. Now the second example, when a flight can get cancelled, you might substitute it by taking train or renting car. Okay, so this is the basic. There are two examples through which you can easily understand about the substitutions, how we can use substitution in our daily life. Okay, also you have to understand well about this topic about. Now this slide is basically about concept of substituting the value of an expression. Okay, how we can substitute. Okay, these are some steps. Number one is identify the variable. First step will be identify the variable. Let's suppose I write a expression x plus 2. So what is variable? First identify the variable. Step 1 is identify. What is variable? Variable is called x. Variable is x. First step will be complete. Okay, first step completed. Now step 2. What is step 2? Replace a value with the given value. Let's suppose that x is equal to 3, given that. Now replace the variable by the given value 3, x plus 2. So we write x, so we replace x by 3. So answer would be answer is equal to 5. Okay, simplify the expression. Now and at the end I simplify. Hope so. So these are the 3 steps when you are going to some question about substituting in any expression. This is given expression. Let's suppose that these are multiple variables. Multiple mean x and y both are variables. So how we can solve that when variables, more than one variables are given in the expression. Now in this, given the value x is equal to y is equal to 5. How we can solve it? Write the expression first. 2. What is the value of x? 2. So replace x by 2. First then write 3. Value of y is equal to 5. Replace y by 5. Now solve this expression. 2 times 4, 3 5 times 15. Okay, so what is the answer is 19. Okay, this is some worked example from the textbook, page 37. For example, part A plus A plus B when A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 4. So replace A by 2 because A is equal to 2. Replace B by 4 because B is equal to 4. So 2 plus 6 equal to 6. Okay, the second part is about 2w minus 3v. So what is the value of w? W is equal to 12 and B is equal to 5. Write 2 first. What is the value of W? 12. So replace W by 12 and replace V by 5. Solve this one. 12 2 24 and 15 times. Okay. So if solve it, we will get answer 9. Okay. Exercise 2.2. Copy and complete this one. This is the expression given to you. Also, the value of the variables also given. First write the given variable x plus 9. As you can see that replace x by 13 because the value of x is 13. 13 plus 9 is equal to 22. Add these ones. Okay. Now again question this one. Now this is in the begin form. X by 50. So x replaced by 50 first. Okay. Right, x is equal to 40. Okay. Now in table 5 we can easily do dividing by 5. 5 1 time 5. 5 8 times 40. So what is the answer is 8. Okay. Also question from the textbook. Okay. First is a very simple question. I will solve one and the last question. Okay. The rest of questions C, E and G is for your home task. Solve on your notebook and share with me on WhatsApp number. Okay. So for part A is equal to A plus 5 is equal to, we have to find this value. A is equal to 3. Replace A by 3 because A value of A is 3. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Now the last part I is 30 minus dividing by C. So what is the value of C? C is equal to 6. So put C, replace C by 6. First write 30 and then 6. 6 5 then 30. So there is answer. Same like question where the previous one. Okay. So these questions are similar to the previous questions. Solve these at your home task. Now I am going to solve part J. Okay. X plus y dividing by 2. What is the value of x? 19. What is the value of y? 11. So given expression is that x plus y over 2. Replace x by 19. Replace y by 11. If we add these numbers, we will get 30. So 30 dividing by 2 is answer will be 15. Okay. So this, hope so you have enjoyed today's lesson about the substitutions, how we can solve the substitutions question. If you have any question, you can ask me through my WhatsApp number. I also have a comment section on the Google Classroom. So see you on the next lesson, inshallah.